It's been said that more is caught than taught, that we learn most by watching and observing others. Others serve as a type of role model for us. For better or worse, we pick up their habits, their customs, their mannerisms. And so if we were raised in a home fishing, watching sports, then chances are we adopted those same things as well. If we grew up in a home where music and reading were prized, and chances are we adopted those things as well that we learn by watching and observing others in our life. And without minimizing our need for flesh and blood role models, stories also hold power. They provide images that help us to elevate our imagination and envision what's possible. Jesus taught in stories. He left his followers with deep images. We can reference the story of the Good Samaritan, and we have that image of what it means to be a Good Samaritan that even now many ministries, organizations, laws simply refer to as the Good Samaritan law. That we have that image and it still holds power today. Leaving the 99 for the one. Or that we're the salt and light of the world. These images are robust and flexible. They communicate a certain truth without being reduced to some limited concrete expression. The core principle of the image holds even those applied to many different contexts. For instance, being salt and light, we can apply that at home, we can apply that at work, we can apply that in our community, we can apply that in society at large. And it's these type images that we also need for our growth into manhood. Images that help us remember that we are divine image bearers. That we're not simply trying to fit into some political correct mold of masculinity, but images that help transcend our modern understandings and remind us who God has created us to be. Images serve as a type of map to help us find our way. We can provide images and they can be very helpful, but there will be a lot that's left unsaid. But hopefully the maps provide enough landmarks to help us plot a path toward a deeper appreciation of our masculinity and the ways in which we reflect God's divine image.